and good morning everybody. This is Teacher Joker from Wajugochu School. I am the homeroom teacher of grade 5/1. Okay class, today our subject is math and our topic for today is decimals. So are you ready? Okay, I hope everybody's ready. So I'm now going to start. So we have here a relationship between fractions and decimals. So before we proceed in there, let's have the vocabulary first. We have decimal, decimal, fraction, fraction, whole number, whole number, decimal point, decimal point. Okay, so those are the important words that we need to know first before proceeding in your main topic for today. So, okay class, what is the meaning of decimal? What is decimal? When we say decimal, a decimal is a way of writing a number that is not a whole. Decimal numbers are in between numbers. So for example, we have here 10.4. 10.4. So the dot over there, which is this one, we're going to read that one as point. Okay? So 10.4 is in between the numbers 10 and 11. It is more than 10 but less than 11. Okay class? So that is an example of decimal, a number that is not exact. Okay? So a decimal is a way of writing a number that is not whole or exact. How about decimal point class? Do you have any idea what is the meaning of decimal point? When we say decimal point, a point or small dot. Okay, let's take a look on this one. So it says here, a point or small dot used to separate the whole number part from the fractional part of a number. So point or small dot refers to this one. Okay, therefore this is what you call decimal point, and we are going to read that one as point. So 36.9, 36.9. So what is the use of decimal point? It separates the whole number part from the fractional part of a number. So it separates 36 from 9. Okay, so that is what you call decimal point. So the small dot or point over there is what we call decimal point. Next word that we're going to define is fraction. Okay, we just finished our topic about fraction. So this is just a review. What is a fraction? When we say fraction, it is used to represent smaller pieces or parts of a whole. Fractions are used to represent smaller pieces or parts of a whole. Okay, so example here is we have 1/2, 1/4, 3/4, or let's say 1/2, 1/4, and 3/4. Okay, so this is an example of a fraction. Another word that we're going to define is whole number. What is a whole number? A number without fractions. So the number must be exact. Okay? So for example, we have 1 starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, and then going up. That is what we call whole number. If the number doesn't have decimal point, well, that is what we call whole number. For example, just if you saw a number, if you see a number 11 for example, this is a whole number. But what if you see 2 and 1 or 2.1? Okay, is this a whole number? No, it's not. That is a decimal. Okay, 2.1 is a decimal because it has decimal point. Okay, this number is what we call the whole number. Understand? So Whole number is a number without fractions. So now for your activity, since this is our first time to study decimal, I would like you to write the meaning of decimal point, fraction, and whole number on your notebook. So kindly write the vocabulary and its meaning on your notebook, starting from number 1, what is decimal? What is decimal point? What is a fraction? And what is a whole number? So kindly write those 4 vocabulary and its meaning on your notebook. Okay? So that ends your activity for today. And see you again tomorrow.